Next is brows. We're going to brush our brows up like so. I'm using this brow pencil from Davis. First, we outline the down. Like so. Then we outline the up side, but the up side will not start from where we start the down one. The up side will start from somewhere here to make the brow look a little bit more natural. We outline the up, join it together to the down one. Like so. Then we'll fill the inside. Brush it upward again. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do the other side off camera. Next, we are going to clean up the brows with a concealer. A little bit of concealer, like so. Take the remaining one down. And now use this side of the brush where I've not used for the up side to clean the up side so that the concealer on the up side won't be too much. I'm going to clean up the other one off camera. Now we're back.